Hi everyone, thank you once again for joining me. Sorry I've not been posting any videos lately because I've been busy with a few things. My family had come over and was visiting me for 3 months, and then soon after that I had this cold and flu, and then as a result became pretty lethargic, and capturing videos, editing and posting, it takes a little bit of time, so I became a bit lazy. So I apologize for that. I'm going to be back on track and post more videos more regularly. Okay, so today the unboxing is the Sony BX1 battery. This is the battery that is used in the Sony ZV-1 camera, the camera that I'm using to capture this video at the moment. So when you capture video in 4K, this battery drains out really fast, so the retail stores don't keep these batteries, so I had to search for a place where I can actually get it. And you get it at a small Sony store at Mall of the Emirates in Dubai. At least if you're in the UAE, and if you're in Dubai, okay, you can go to the small store, a Sony store, in Mall of the Emirates on the first floor. Okay, along the same line as Jumbo Electronics, but they don't always stock it. So I've been running after them for quite some time. Every time I drop in at Mall of the Emirates, I drop by and ask them, is this battery in stock? No. So one fine day I called them after a couple of tries, many attempts, and then finally they said they have stock for 2 batteries. I said, hold it, I'm picking it up. So here they are, this one and this same. So I'm going to quickly unbox this one so I can use this to enable continuous shooting. It's packed pretty well. We have the instruction booklet, and here you go, the battery. Okay, and they have also provided a plastic case. That's good. Anything else? Nothing. It's empty. So that's it. And this is also the same exact thing. I don't know if you can read this. It says over here, to prevent short circuiting, use this case when storing. So, very thoughtful idea from Sony. Very good. There you go. The box in itself. Alright folks, so this is it, a quick video on the unboxing of these batteries. So this should help me make more videos without a 45-minute break or 30-minute break for the charging. Thank you once again for joining me, folks. I want to thank you for your support and for watching my videos and giving me those likes. It really means a lot. Okay, thank you, God bless, and take care, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye for now.